guys. Today I'm in my front yard, which faces south, and I'm going to plant from Proven Winners Wizard of Oz Veronica. It has violet blue spikes. Well, it's supposed to. When I saw these at the nursery, they had seen better days. They were on clearance, and I thought, you know what? We just got a bird bath, and I framed the bird bath with something like this. And I went ahead and picked it up. I sheared off all the dead blooms, and I took the Proven Winners water-soluble fertilizer, and I fed it for a couple of days. Well, I fed it once, and then I was just being diligent about watering it and not having it in the direct sun, because just this last week we had 109 temperatures. And I think it's going to come back. It looks pretty healthy right now. I think they're going to bloom at least one more time before the end of summer. So I think shearing them helped them and cutting off all the dead blooms. So it's looking a lot healthier than when I bought it earlier this week. It grows up to 16 inches high and up to 22 inches wide. I'm probably going to plant them a little bit closer than that, and I'm not sure by the camera angle, but I have Peter Pan agapanthus kind of on either side of them, and we normally divide them every couple of years into fours, and a couple of these I didn't get a chance to divide this spring, so we'll do that in the fall. And because once they get really big, you might not be able to see some of the Veronica, but come fall, and when I divide the Peter Pans, they'll be more showy. The Veronica will be. So I'm going to go ahead and move the top of this and start planting. Have them all planted in. They are deer resistant, and they attract bees and butterflies. I don't have to worry about deer here in Central California, probably because I'm in the city. The little pesky animals that I have to deal with are squirrels and possums, and that seems to be on a frequent basis. We've had 4 possums in the last month, either in our front yard or our backyard. Our neighbor saw a coyote coming down the street. So we live at the furthest outskirts of town, where everything beyond us northeast is relatively new build, and maybe that's why the coyote was near the area. I'm not sure, but anyway, I'm going to get it all cleaned up. I'm going to get it all watered in so you can see a photo of it, and get the bird bath put back on with some fresh water. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.